Hello all, today we are covering important foundations of Guidewire OOTB gap analysis. This section establishes foundational philosophy of Guidewire's out-of-the-box gap analysis, focusing heavily on the critical adopt over adapt a mindset. It details how a business analyst evaluates a carrier's legacy operational processes against the native, pre-packaged core software to protect the system's baseline architecture. By actively steering stakeholders away from forcing the new application to mimic outdated, manual workflows, this page highlights how minimizing custom GoSu or integration code mitigates technical debt, reduces overall implementation costs, and ensures seamless future upgrades to the Guidewire cloud. Next is the Inception Workshop and Fit Gap Classification. This section outlines the collaborative execution of inception workshops and the practical application of the Fit Gap classification framework. It describes how the BA demonstrates live, native product functionality to stakeholders, tracks explicit system deltas, and rigorously negotiates business value over legacy habits. Every requirement is systematically documented and categorized as standard, fit, configuration, minor and medium gap, integration, technical gap, or extension, major gap. Next is the architecture of a Guidewire Agile user story. This section deconstructs the anatomy of a Guidewire-specific Agile user story, explaining why generic user stories lack the detail required for complex insurance modernizations. It introduces a comprehensive, three-layered story blueprint that addresses the user interface layer, PCF screens, the data layer, underlying database entities, and the business logic layer, validation rules. By providing a standardized specification template and a field-level specifications (FLS) framework, it ensures that developers receive clear configuration parameters and QA teams can build precise automated test cases. Next is real-world user story blueprints and Gherkin specifications. This section provides concrete, real-world examples of highly structured Guidewire user stories, highlighting data extensions in PolicyCenter and automated validation rules in ClaimCenter. It illustrates how high-level business goals, such as capturing prior carrier data or preventing unauthorized claim closures, are translated into technical data models and conditional logic. By utilizing behavior-driven development, BDD, via Gherkin syntax, given when then, it shows how to document airtight, testable acceptance criteria that eliminate ambiguity for Scrum teams. Next one, executive summary and lifecycle correlation. This section serves as the final executive synthesis, illustrating the direct operational relationship between initial OOTB gap analysis and ongoing Agile user story engineering. It demonstrates how the gap analysis acts as a strategic filter during early project discovery to define scope. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.